Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Kumar Verma, and today I am going to discuss part 6 of decimal exercise 7b of R.S. Agarwal. Some question we discussed in previous video. So in this video, we will discuss more question. Clear, student? So till question number 33 we discussed. Now come on question number 34. Clear, student? Up 34, what is given? We have to using decimal express. Question is given using decimal express. What is the question? Question is first 4 kilometer 365 meter in kilometer. Clear, student? Yani you have to convert 4 kilometer 365 in kilometer. Okay, now come to the point. You know that 1 kilometer equal to what? 1000 meter. Clear, student? So 1 meter equal to what, student? 1 upon 1000 kilometer. I explain in many times this thing. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, so 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Clear? Now 4 kilometer is given, so write down 4 kilometer as usual. Plus 365 meter is given, so what you will write down? 365. You have to convert in kilometer, you will multiply by 1 upon 1000. Because 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 meter, so 365 meter equal to 1 upon 1000, you will multiply and it will come in kilometer. Clear, student? Now a 4 kilometer you will write down same, there will be no change, plus it will become 365 upon 1000 kilometer. Clear, student? अब you know that फिर again 4 kilometer write down same, come on this 365 is given, to write down 365. Now you have to put decimal. I explain how to put decimal. So what you will do, 30 is given na, so after decimal there should be only 3 digit. So here you will put decimal because I explained many times, and 0. So it will come what? It will come 4.365 kilometer. Clear, student? This is your correct answer. Okay. Now come to the next question. Next question is also same. What is given? Using decimal. You have to express using decimal. Using decimal express. Same process you have to apply. So let us take example second. 8 kilogram 96 gram in kilogram. Clear, student? Okay, so same process. You know that 1 kilogram equal to what? 1000 gram. Clear? So 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 gram kilogram. Is that clear, student? 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. You know that. So 1 gram equal to what? 1 upon 1000. Now come to the question. What is given, student? 8 kilogram. To write down 8 kilogram same. There will be no change. Plus 96 gram is given. So what you will do? 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 same. So 96 gram equal to, you will multiply by 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Clear, student? Now 8 kilogram, so you will write down same. There will be no change. So write down 8 kilogram plus 96 upon what? 96 upon 1000. Clear? Again you know that after decimal there should be only how many digits? There should be only 3 digits. Because 30 is given. So again you will apply the same process. What you will write down? 8 kilogram same as, plus 96 you will write down. Acha, after decimal there should be 3 digits, but here you can see only 2 digits is given. So what I explained, student, if you have to increase 30 is given, yani after decimal there should be only 3 digits, but here only 2 digits. So what you will do? You will increase 1 0 and here you will write down decimal. So when you will add, clear, it will come what? It will come 8.096 kilogram. Is that clear, student? So by this you can solve this question. This is very easy. Only you have to see in which quantity you have to change. Always change in same quantity. Clear, student? So now come to the next question. So student, our next question is 36, and what is given? Using decimal decimal express first rupees 18 and 25 paise in rupees. Clear, student? So same process you will apply. Only you know that 1 rupees 1 equal to what? 100 paise. Is that clear? अब 1 paise equal to what? 1 upon 100 rupees. Clear, student? You know that 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. I explained many times. Now come to the question. Rupees 18 is given na. So rupees 18 you will write down. There will be no change. Plus 25 paise is given na. You know that 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. You will multiply also 1 upon 100 rupees. Clear, student? Now it will become rupees 100 plus it will become 25 upon 100 rupees. Clear, student? Now what you have to do? Rupees 18 you will write down same. There will be no change. Plus, अब see carefully. 20 is given as student. तो यानी after decimal there should be only 2 digit. So what you will write down? Write down rupees 25. अब after decimal there should be only 2 digit. So here you will put decimal and 0. So you can see after decimal there is 2 digit. I explained many times how you will put decimal. So now what it will become? It will become rupees. You will add 18. It is given 18.25. Clear, student? So this by this you can convert in rupees. Okay, student? So now move to the next question, next exercise. Now our next exercise is exercise 7C. Clear, student? Our next exercise is 7C. Now this is very easy exercise. Only I explain few question because all question are very easy and based on the NCERT. Now what is given? Add the following. Clear, student? This is given add the following. Now come to the question. Question 1 is given 9.6, 14.8, 37 and 5.9. So very easy. You know how to add. I explain. 9 point. First you have to write down greatest number. Greatest number is what? 37. Acha. Convert in like term. Ab how I explain, student? Convert in like term. You have to see after decimal which number having maximum digit. So you can see after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit, and here after decimal nothing. So and this is greater. So what you will do? This you have 37 you have to make in like decimal. Clear? So after decimal put 1 0. There will be no change. Then write down 9.6. Again write down. Acha. After this you have 37.8. Then you will write down 14.8. Okay? Because after 37 14.8 is greater. Clear? Then now what you will write down? After 14.8 you will write down 9.6. Clear? After this you will write down 5.9. Clear? Now you have to add. So simply add it. 8 plus 6 14 or 14 plus 9 23. Okay? Carry 2. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 9 22 or 22 plus 5 27. Carry 2. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 6. Clear, student? So this is your simply addition. Addition, you know that simply you have to add. You don't have to do anything. Clear? Okay. Now come to the sum question. Some next question. Okay, student? So take a question number 7. So now question number 7, what is given, student? 7 is given 4.37, 9.638, 17.007 and 6.8. Clear, student? Now you have to add. Simply follow. You will follow the same way. अच्छा, now first you have to convert in like decimal. अब like decimal I explain ना how to convert. You have to see after decimal which having maximum digits. So you can see after decimal here 3 digit, after decimal 3 digit. यानी after decimal there should be 3 digit in every number. So what you will do? You will increase 1 0 here. So you can write down. So first write down 17.007. After this 9.638. Okay. फिर after this one is greater. And after decimal 1 digit, so what you have to do? You have to increase 2 0 because after decimal there should be 3 digit. So write down 6.820. Again you can write down 4.37 and 1 extra 0 because you have to convert in like decimal. Clear? Now add up 8 plus 7 15, 7 plus 3 10, plus 1 11, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 1 carry 18, 8, 1 carry, point you will write down 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 9 19, or 19 plus 7 here 1 carry, and 19 plus 7 26. So 6 2 carry, so 1 2 3. Clear students? Sorry students, here should be 37. There is the addition mistake. Okay, it is 37. Clear students? So 37.815 is your correct answer. Clear? Now come to the next question. Now student, come to the question number 10. Come to the question number 10. Okay student, अब question number 10 is given in R.S. Agarwal. What is given? See in your book. A man purchased an Almirah for rupees. What is given? Almirah for rupees 1,111, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 11,025, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Clear? Now gives 172.50 as its cartage. So you can write down 0 0. Up next is given 172.50 as its cartage. So 172.50 as cartage. Now and spent 64.80 on its repair. So 64.80 on its repair. So you have to find out total cost. You will write down total cost. Clear student? Now simply you have to add 0, 8 plus 5 13, carry 1, 5 plus 2 7 plus 4 11, plus 1 12, फिर carry 1, 7 plus 2 9, plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, and this will become what? 11 and decimal. So total cost is student what? 11,262.30. Clear students? Now student, come to the question number 14. Look, Radhika bought 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her salwar. Cloth for salwar. Okay student, equal to 2 meter 5 centimeter. Now and 3 meter 35 cloth for her shirt. So we will write down cloth for shirt equal to what? 3 meter 35 centimeter. 3 meter 35 centimeter. Clear student? What is given? Find the total length of the cloth. You will write down total length of cloth equal to, now you have to find out total student. What you will do? You will add 35 plus 5, it will become 40 centimeter, and 3 plus 2, it will become 5 centimeter, 5 meter. So the total length of cloth is what? 5 meter and 40 centimeter. Now student, come on, exercise 7D. Clear student? This is our last exercise of R.S. Agarwal. Okay. Now in this first question is given subtraction. Okay. So what is given? Subtract. Clear student? Now subtraction I explained many times. So another example, one example we will take. Question number 1 is given 27.86 from 53.74. Clear? अब I explain. From is given, so you have to write down the greater number. So this one is greater because you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So 53.74 is greater 27.86. 6. Okay student, now you have to subtraction you have to do na, subtraction. 4 6 you cannot subtract, so you will take carry, so 14 minus 6 8. Here what remains? 1 you subtracted, so here 6 remains, so 6 and 1 carry you will take, so 16 minus 8, so here 16 minus 8 8. Okay student, now decimal you will put here. Now here it will become what? 2, because 1 carry you taken, so 2 and 12 minus 7 5. Clear? Again here it will become what? 4, because you take 1 carry, so 4 minus 2 2. Clear? So correct answer is what? 25.88. Clear student? So now by this way you can solve this question. Clear student? Now come to the next question, and all questions are same, so you can solve this. Now take another example, like question number 10. What is given? 0.612 from 3.4. Acha student, now in this question what you will do? This one is greater, so first you have to convert in like term. Here all are in like term, after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit, but here after decimal 3 digit, after decimal 1 digit. So what you will do? You have to convert in like terms. I explain how to convert. You have to see the number which having maximum digit. Clear? So here you can see after decimal 3 digit, so here also after decimal 3 digits. So what you will do? You will increase 0. Ab how many increase you will 0? 2 0, because after decimal there should be 3 digit, and 0.612. Subtract. Now carry you will take to 10. It will become 10. 10 minus 2 8. Here it will become 9, because you take 1 carry. So 10 minus 1 9 minus 1 8. Clear? Now here it will become 3. 1 carry you will take, to 30 minus 6 7, and here it will become decimal and it will become 2. The answer is 2.788. Clear student? So now by this way you can solve this question. Clear student? Now student, come to the question number 11. You have to simplify what is given. 37.6 plus 72.85 minus 58.678 minus 6.09. Okay student, अब now you have to simplify. Okay student, so how you will do student? First what you will do, integer I explain, plus plus always plus. So first you will do what? First you have to convert in like term. Convert in like term. See here after decimal 3 digit, so in every number after decimal there should be 3 digit. So write down 37.600 plus 72.850 minus 58.678 minus 6.090. Okay, so now this is in like term, because in every number after decimal there is only 3 digit. Clear student? Now come to the point. अब I explain in integer plus plus plus, there you will add. First you will add, so it will become, first you will add 13.600 and 72.850. Clear? To add it 0 5 8 plus 6 14, 1 carry, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11. So it will become 110.450. Again I explain what in integer. Minus minus is plus, but sign you have to do, you have to put the sign of greater integer. So this one is greater, so you have to put the sign of what? Minus sign, because the integer which having the integer which is greater, you have to put the sign of that integer. So write down 58.678, this is in minus, and 6.090. Okay, अब I explain what? Minus minus plus, but sign you have to put the greater integer. So write down 8, 9 plus 7 16, 6 plus 1 7, because 1 carry, 8 plus 6 14, 5 plus 1 6, and minus sign. Is that clear student? Now here you can see this is 110.450 in plus and minus 64.768 in minus. So you know that plus minus minus. So what you will do? 110.450 and 64.768. This is in plus, this is in minus. Okay. So now plus minus minus, you know that, and sign you have to put the greater integer here in both of them. Which one is greater? You will say 110.45 is 0. this is greater and having plus sign, so you have to put here plus sign. So what you will do, you will subtract 10 minus 8 2, फिर here 14 minus 6 8, 13 minus 7 6 point, 9 minus 4 5, 10 minus 6 4, and sign you will put plus, so there is no need of writing plus, so this is your correct answer. Clear students? So this is your question. First you have to add plus 1, फिर you have to add minus 1, and minus sign you will put, then you will subtract. Clear student? So based on this 3 to 4 question is given, you will try. Now come to the next question. Next question is question number 15. What is given? What is to be added? What is given? What is to be added to 74.5 to get 91? Okay student, so in this question means what you have to add in 74.5 to get 91. This is same as what you will add in 5 to get 10. Clear student? So what you have to do, simply you will subtract both of them, answer will come. Yani when you add 5 in 5, the answer will come 10. So similarly you have to follow the same process. What you will do, you will subtract the smaller number from the greater number and convert in like decimal. So 91, it will become 91.0 because here after decimal 1 digit, and 74.5 same as, and you have to subtract. Okay, so 10 minus 5 it will become 5 decimal, 10 minus 4 it will become 6, 8 minus 7 it will become what? 1. So now when you want to check this is correct or not, to check it, when you will add 16.5 in 74.5, so check what is coming. It is coming 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 4 11, and 7 plus 1 8 9. So this is your correct answer. Yani this is your correct answer. You can follow this method. Clear student? What I explained, you have to subtract smaller number from the greater number. Is that clear student? Now come to the next question. Question number 17. Okay, what is given? By how much should 23.754 be increased to get 50? Same question is given student, only there is a change in language. What is given? By how much should 23.754 be increased to get 50? Matlab your answer should become 15. Of what you will add in 23.754, then answer will come 50. Same pattern you will follow. What I explained, you have to subtract the smaller number from the greatest number. Acha, first you have to convert in like decimal, to write down 50 point. Here after decimal 3 digit, so here also after decimal 3 digit, so what you will do, you will increase 3 0. फिर write down 23.754. Clear student? Now you have to subtract na, to write down here 0, so 1 carry will take, to 10 minus 4 6. फिर here it will become 10, so 1 carry you taken, so 9, so 9 minus 5 4. Again here also 9 minus 7 2. Clear student? And decimal 9 minus 3 6, and here 4 minus 2 2. Yani your answer is 26.246. Now up check it if this is correct or not. So what you will do, write down check and check it. How? 23.754. Clear? Up add 26.246. Clear student? Now you have to check this is correct or not. So plus 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry, 5 plus 4 1, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, decimal, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. Clear? So now here you can see easily कि your answer is 50.000 when you will add 26.246 in 23.754. Clear student? So what is the conclusion? If is given what number should be added, what number should be subtracted, so what you will do, you have to do only one thing. What? Always subtract smaller number from the greatest number. Clear? And when you will do this, you will get your answer. And if any doubt, then you can check by this method. Here I checked na कि when you are adding 26.246 in 23.754 तो result is 50 यानी this answer is correct. Clear student? So this is our RS Agrawal. I finished RS Agrawal and NCERT both. So the question which is left you have to do yourself, and in next video we will discuss the next chapter. Clear student? Thank you.